In this video, we'll cover the essential steps and best practices for installing an Athena Soul Alcove Enclosure. Before installing any Athena product, ensure you have the printed installation manual on hand. Begin by drilling 3 evenly spaced holes into the V-groove of the single-piece door starter. Plumb the door starter, then drill 3 mm holes into the wall. If the shower has white joinery, use a cleaning towelette to wipe the rear of the door starter and let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Return the towelette to the packaging for later use. Next, before screwing the starter to the wall, apply a continuous full-length bead of silicone sealant into the groove on the rear of the starter. Repeat the previous steps for Part A, the L-shaped section of 2-piece door starter. Ensure to follow the installation guide to determine its correct position. Attach the door handle, making sure to place clear gaskets on either side of the glass and plastic sleeves over the threads of the handles. Fit the door assembly into the single-piece door starter. Position it to make contact with Part A of the other door starter, and then slide Part B into position, lightly clipping it into Part A. Lightly tap the channel home using a wooden block, working down the length of the Part B starter. Centralize the door between the door starters with the setting block still in place. Use a spirit level to true up the enclosure and check that the door magnet is in contact with the jam magnet over its full length. Use the clear adhesive tapes provided to temporarily hold the enclosure components together. Once aligned, drill 4 3 mm holes down the inside of the single-piece door starter, starting 30 mm from the ends and then equally spaced down the screw indicator line. Secure using the number 6 10 mm screws and cover all screws with plastic caps supplied. Repeat for the 2-piece starter. Cut the drip seal to the required length for each side of the pivot. Notch the long drip seal by marking and trimming so it fits under the magnet profile with a flexible vertical blade facing towards the inside of the shower. Fit the drip seals to the glass door. If you have white joinery, use a second cleaning towelette to wipe the surfaces of the powder-coated profiles where silicone will be applied. Apply a small bead of silicone around the perimeter of the door set using masking tape to ensure a neat finish. If an acrylic wall liner is installed, use the cover trims supplied. Apply a small bead of sealant down the face of the exposed wall liner and the wall starter, and place the cover trim into the sealant. Allow the sealants to cure for a minimum of 24 hours before use. The Athena shower installation is now complete. Key points to remember. For detailed instructions, always refer to the installation manual supplied with the Athena product. Failing to follow the printed installation instructions may void the warranty.